Hi, I'm Magi Helena. I'd like to welcome you to a new way of thinking about astrology. Most people intuitively suspect that just like the tides of the ocean, we humans are affected by the movements of heavenly bodies. As above, so below. But then what? Though old school astrology can be poetic and lots of fun, it's never been reliable enough or accurate enough to convince one single astrology skeptic. But there's a new school form of astrology that's based only on scientifically proven principles. After 30 plus years of statistical research to discover the true secrets of the heavens, a system has been created that's a lot more than just fun. It's a system that's truly useful. Finally, you can get accurate predictions about love, success, and lots more. And I use this proven system to invent instant and affordable tools to help you achieve your dreams. Will my tools just hand it all to you with no work? No way. You still have to do all the real world stuff too. But my instant tools can help you get there a lot easier and a lot faster. I want to help you make your dreams come true and to help make this a world where dreams can come true for everyone. Let's work together. We've got this.